Yang start. Si Bakanso. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Si Bong Hanoi.
Can you see my screen, class?
5 lang ninyo. Kapag yung
Kita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Kung yung last topic na to, we were done with the second example sa depreciation kani. Natakol na tani. Kani, ka-remember mo ko ato na na-touch. How about this one?
Si Dutilias.
Mo nang last.
Okay, good. So, na-discuss na nato ni. So, we'll be proceeding now with the next topic, which is economic decision making analysis.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can you hear my voice clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start na with a new topic. So, economic decision making analysis. So after we're done with discussing this one, it will now equip us with the ability to perform sound economic decisions based on some evaluation criteria. Okay, so what are these criteria? So we can base it based on the total annual cost, kanang gitawag na tog TAC. Second is kaning future worth, so FW. Third is present worth, and lastly kaning rate of return. Okay, so basically what this criteria gives us is it gives us a baseline of comparison whether the performance of a certain project or an investment would outweigh these criteria. So how to evaluate? So kani, so for the total annual cost, the formula is based on the sinking fund, no? So tara siya, so TAC is equal to FC TAC is equal to FC minus SB, quantity I over 1 plus I raised to the power of N minus 1 plus IFC plus OC. Okay, so kaning FC mao ni first cost, di ba? How about kaning OC? Unsa man na siyang OC po? Unsa man na siya? So operating, no? Operating cost. Okay, so how about kaning second? Under gyapon sa total annual cost is this is based on capital recovery. So TAC is equal to FI minus SB times I times 1 plus I quantity N over quantity 1 plus I quantity raised to power of N minus 1 plus ISB plus OC. Now, this is the important criteria that we need to evaluate. First, is the income less than TAC? If that's the case, then the investment would be on a losing side. Now, if TAC's income, if TAC is less than income, then it's gaining. Now, if they are equal, the income and the total annual cost is equal, then it's break even. Okay, so it's very simple to evaluate. So all we need to do is just to compare the income with the TAC value. So, more na itong criteria. So, how about kaning future worth po? So, for future worth, the formula for this one is evaluated based on our future worth na equation, di ba? So, you have here, let's say you have here a series of equal payment D, and then span over a certain period N. So, ang pinakalasa na niya, napo niya ang salvage value. And then, at time equal to 0, this is where the first cost also comes in. So, if we evaluate na niya, kanang sum of all equal payments, katoro man ang S na to, diba? So, S is equal to D, quantity 1 plus I raised to power of N minus 1 over I. So, the accumulated amount, the future amount ana niya, will be equal to A is equal to S plus SB. So where SB is equal to the salvage value. Now, so what would be the criteria? So you have is if F, ang F na niya, by the way, kani siya, no? The F ana niya is equal to FC times 1 plus I quantity raised to power of n. So the criteria is F greater than A. If that's the case, then it's losing. If F is less than A, then it's gaining. So also, what's the point then in the equation? What we are actually doing is, ang concept ba? We're actually comparing kaning series of equal payments diri, kaning represented by D, as the return on investment, no, on a yearly basis ba. So kumbaga, what we are trying to compare is the sum of these equal payments in the future. Can it would it outweigh the value of FC if ever aton lang siyang i-invest at a certain interest rate? Mo na ang concept, and that's the reason why we are comparing F with A. Okay, so kan mahog nga without us putting money aning FC, for example kaniba kaning cash flow diagram, if wa ko na siya gibutang ani nga investment, okay, gibutang na ko siya lain, it would also gain money, di ba? So if ever we enter into this kind of investment scheme and it would give us a payout of this much on a yearly basis, what's the performance of those returns as compared to the FC's value if invested siya with another option? So that's the concept. So mo na siya nga future worth. So diri kanang A ni mo diha, mo na ang performance, no? Performance sa imong inflows ba of payments. So remember nga, if A is greater than, if F is greater than A, then losing siya. Okay, losing nga naman. Mahug man nga, if wa na ko siya gibutang diha, it would have gained more. Do you get the point? But if A is greater than F, then this kind of scheme, kani nga investment, is giving me more return as compared to the alternate option. If ang F, katong first cost, ako siyang gi-invest on a different scheme. You get the point? Kuha yung class. Klaro, class? Okay, good. But if they are equal, then mahog, break even na, no? Tabla-tabla ba? How about kaning present worth nga method? So the present worth method is inganan ni pud ang atong criteria. You have this investment nga scheme and then it's giving you money on an annual basis. And then atong buhaton is we will be getting the equivalent present worth ana niya. Okay? At time equal to 0. And then what we will be doing is ato dayon siyang i-compare with the first cost. So that's the reason why we have this comparison here with R and FC. So if FC is greater than R, then it's losing. Okay? So mahug nga tabla ra ningon ta nga if ako ni birahon tanan ni nga mga future sum of payments adung sa present nga reality, present time, tabla ra nga ang series of equal payment mas gamay pa siya na-deliver noon nga present value. Do you get the point? So if ever FC pod is less than R, then tabla ra ningon ta mas nindot ni nga investment kay nga naman it's giving me a present worth much bigger than the first cost. And if ever they are equal, then break even gyapon. Okay? Now, how about kaning ROR? So the ROR So what we are doing is we are comparing investment or um, yeah, different investment vehicles based on the rate of return. So you have your savings over investment times 100. That's the rate of return, no? So the savings mode is evaluated as income minus expenses. Okay. So what's the criteria? If ROR or the rate of return is greater than I, then gaining ka. Meaning, if the the rate of return of an investment outweighs the interest rate, then gaining na. Okay, so for example, ang huwam kag kwarta, you borrowed it at an interest cost of 10% pa ron. But your ROR is giving you an annual return nga 30%. Okay, they get the point? So, mahog nga, mabawi kayo. Ginansya siya. But if ROR is less than I, di na lang tamusod na. Kusik na sa itong panahon. Okay, kaya nga naman, losing mo na. Tabla ragod nga, mo ROR ta. Let's say, 5%. Kunya nga to ang I, atong cost of borrowing, the interest rate of money is 10%. Di, kansi ta. May pamuhunong ta, di pa ta kapuyon. You get the point? Now, if they are equal, break even na. But, don't take it negatively, kataong gi-mention nga, may pagmuhunong ta. But, kinamagoy uban good nga mga kaning investment scheme wherein even though negative siya as of the moment, or let's say break even, but it's because of a reinvestment na strategy, meaning you're expanding, you're basically spending back to your operation, then okay na siya. No, okay na siya kay at the end mas nidako man ang imong total assets pod. So for example, na kay ginansya, kunya imong gi-reinvest, gipalit mo property, gipalit mo giyuta baron, no, kay for expansion. Ug imo na tan-awon ang libro ana niya, posible nga mo negative ka. Posible nga nakas losing side. Pero gidako ang imong asset. Okay? So just like some of the startup companies good, no, for example, when Amazon was starting, ug imo tong tan-awon ang ilaha pong financial statements, negative sa to sila. No, negative because they are expanding. They are buying properties, no, they are spending on infrastructures, sa ilahang IT infrastructures, sa ilang mga servers, and so on and so forth, which would eventually, in the long run, would make them more money. Anana man ang concept. Okay? So, for example, kani. So, a company ko no uses 360,000 kilowatt hour of electrical energy annually at 1.25 per kilowatt hour. So the company plans to have its own power plant to supply these energy requirements. Now the research data shows, morning research data ko no, if magtukod sila og planta ba, the first cost would be 1.5 million. The salvage value, if they will be liquidating na the assets, the machineries, at the end of its useful life is 150,000. The period of operation is 15 years. Taxes and insurance is 2% of the first cost. Maintenance and repair 100,000, and the rate of investment is 6%. Question: do you recommend building a power plant? Muna siya ang question ba. Would you recommend ba kuno? Granting mo na ang research data. Okay, so how to evaluate? Simple ra. First, gamit ang TEC, total annual cost. So natin FC, natin SB, natin rate of investment, no? Ang I. Then ang atong operating cost mo ni siya, no, kanang maintenance and repair. So it's basically anything that is spent during the operation ba of the project. So, kana siya, naka 100,000. Okay? So, plug and play sa data. So, 1.5 million minus 150,000 times I, nga 6%, over 1.06 raised to power of, pilam ni siya? 15? 15 ba tong n na to, no? Oh, 15. 15 ba ni? Let's check. Kalkyuha ko nun yung class. Or 5 ba ni siya? Nakalimot mo ko niya da. Sa or sayop ni siya suwat ni. Kalkyuha ko ng class. If it would equal ba 450, ang nakabutang dia 15. Sorry. 277. 999.73. Kalkyuha ko, no? Kani class. Can you see my screen now? So, isa o raised to power of 5 ba? Class. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
Okay. Nag-calculate mo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, ingna ko, 277,000 na siya. Yeah, ang gamit niyo nga N ba kay 5 ba? Oh, pila class? Pila class? Pila. Di siya mo basta 5. O 15 ni mo. 15 daw. So 15.
177,999. Mga 177.
177 o 15?
Oo, sir.
15 years?
Oo, sir. 15 years.
O 5 years, pila siya?
Ito, 300,000.
Magdi, tingin ang uban ko no. Ang uban class, di siya mong answer? Kani hanap pa ni 100,000 ha? Kani oh?
Anak ko 300,000.
Oo. Kani. So, og 900,000, murag 177 maka plus 100,000 ang musod ani. No.
Sakta.
Ang unsa man na 15 years?
15 years.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, so so klaro nga nasipyat ko igsuwat ani. So di ni siya 5 no, that is 15 ang iyang exponent ba. So TAC therefore is 277,999.73. Now, unsa man tong comparison ani niya? Of course, the income of the equivalent cost ba of the consumption sa electricity. So gimension mo sa to nga annually mo-consume siya og 360,000 kilowatt hour. Nya ang iyahang rate of payment is 1.25 per kilowatt hour. So multiply na to. So the total ana niya nga cost is 450,000. Okay? So tabla ra pod nga that is the at that current rate, no? Nya siya mo nag-operate, tabla ra ma-consider po siya as income, no? Income sa generating plant ba. So if iyang kuhaon ang baseline nga 1.25 pesos per kilowatt hour, the total income of the generating plant would have been 450,000. Okay? So if ato na i-compare with the TAC, it's much bigger. 450,000 is greater than 277. So remember, the 277 is the total annual cost. Yeah, every year mo generate siya 450. So what can we say therefore about this economic project? So therefore, it is recommendable to build this power plant. Okay? Klaro, class? Okay, so na question wala. Wala question, class?
None so far, sir.
Okay, good. So how about this one? So an initial investment kuno or initial capital of 100,000 was used to put up a business that will produce an annual income of 63,000 pesos for 5 years, and it will have a salvage value of 20,000. At that time, the annual expenses for its operation amounts to 30,000. If money is worth 10% compounded annually, show by computation if the business is profitable or not using TAC, present worth, future worth, and the rate of return. Okay? So, muna ito ang criteria. So, first, let's try to compute for the TAC. I-mention mo siya og FC. First cost nga 100,000, di ba? So, kana siyang initial capital. So, muna yung first cost. How about the salvage value? Naapod, 20,000. And then, ang imuhang worth of money, 10% compounded. So, you have here 0.1. So, ang imong divide, imong divisor is 1.1, no? Raised to the power of 5. So, tutanawon diri. Mention sa year nga 5 o kana na 5 years dira. And then minus 1, no? Plus IFC plus operating cost. So, ang operating cost na po gi-mention diya. Operation amount. So, kana siya. So, 30,000. So, the TAC ano niya is 53,103.8. Okay? Muna iyang total annual cost. Now, how about the profit? The profit. So, the annual income minus the annual cost. So, unsa may mong annual cost? Kana, TAC, total annual cost good. So, 53,000. How about the income? Nag-mention ba ito siya income? Naapod, try. Based sa ilahang feasibility study, the business kuno will produce an annual income of 63,000. So, you have 63,000 minus 53, 103, the cost. You still have a profit of 9,896.2. So, can we say nga this business is profitable? Yes. Okay, it's giving us a positive profit value, man. Okay, so, however, we're still not done. Napamantay lang criteria. But based on the TAC evaluation, profitable siya. So, let's proceed with present worth. So, with present worth, kanin po to, di ba? So, na kay annual ko nga income na 63,000 man to, gi-mention, di ba? 63 ba to? Tanawon to, mi? Yeah, 63. Okay, 63. Okay, good. So, in terms of cash flow diagram, mao po ni siya, di ba? So, you have an FC nga. Pila itong FC na to? 100. Kani, 100 initial capital. Okay, 100. And then okay. Okay. So abot ka ng D class. Unsa may value mabutang na to sa D. So nag-mention magud to siya og annual nga income nga pila ni siya? 63,000. But nag-mention sa siya ang annual expense pod nga operating expense nga 30,000. Okay? Na siya 30,000. So mahug nga ang iya ding annual nga profit is 63 minus 30, and that is 33. Okay, and that's the reason why naka diri net income equivalent to a saving na 30. So mo na imong D pod, no? Every year you get to save 33,000. So for 5 years ng operation, and then you have a salvage value pod nga 20,000. Okay, 20,000. So birahon ta na sila, no? Padung sa times 0. Okay, so how to evaluate this one? So for the value sa R, mao ni siya, di ba? D times 1 plus I raised to power of n minus 1 over 1 times quantity 1 plus I plus quantity raised to power of 5. So the R value, substituting values, so 33, no, 1,000 times 1.1 raised to power of 5 minus 1 over 0.1 times 1.1 raised to power of 5. So R value is 125,095.9634. That is for the series of equal payments ba, or the net income per year mo na iyang present worth. Now, however, usara na ka component. Kaya naman sa tay SB. So, kaning SB pod, ato sa na siyang birahon, padung diri sa present, pila po ni siya. Tara eh. So, SB is equal to 20,000 over 1.1 raised to power of 5. So, the present worth anak niya is 12,415. Okay? So, pila din ang total gid nga present worth yun? Comprising of R and P. So, you add kaning 125 og 12. Okay? Pila na siya class mo ni 137, no? Ano no? 137,514. So, that is the total present worth sa tanan cash flow. Now, if that's the case, so what's the difference sa PT, kaning total present worth, o sa first cost? You still have a 37,514 na difference. So mahug nga with this kind of investment, it has a present worth nga much bigger than the first cost. So what can we say? This business is profitable. Okay, profitable na siya. Now, ang third nga evaluation criteria, the future worth. Okay? So, cash flow diagram mo ni siya. You have an FC at time equal to 0. And then, for the future worth, you have two components, no? Nakaaning S, the sum of the equal future payments nga annuity, and then you also have a salvage value at the end. Okay, now ang kaning imuhang kuan pod, kaning imuhang total future cost nga i-compare nimo dito is FC times 1 plus I raised to power of 5. So this is for the first cost nimo. Niya mo na ito i-compare diya sa atong F pod. Okay, so for the F, so nato diri no. So ato naman tong na-evaluate ganiha nga natay net profit gyud nga 33,000, di ba? Diin gitugikan based on the annual nga income minus the annual operational expense, and that would give you 33,000. So ato ni i-plug diri, and then plus SB nga salvage value nga 20,000, you would have a future worth nga 221,468.3. Now, how about the first cost? So, atong birahon po siya padung sa future po at time equal to 5 years. So, ang iyang future value is only 161. 161,051 pesos. So, tabla ra nga the difference ana niya could be the profit. And since it's giving us a positive profit, so we could say nga this business using the future worth nga method is still profitable. Okay? Klaro, class? Klaro ra so far? Klaro, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, how about kaning ROR, the last criteria na to? So, unsa nga itong ROR? So, savings over investment and then multiplied by 100. So, kinanglan, what's the criteria niya? Kinanglan, imong ROR should be greater than the cost of borrowing money or ang imong interest ba. Kinanglan, it should be greater in order for this investment to be profitable. So, how about the expense? Unsa may expense ani niya? Kana, savings is equal to income minus expense. What's the expense? Gani siya, FC minus SB. Din man na siya gikan. Din man na siya gikan, class. Kani na? Kani siya. Kani nga part. FC minus SB times I. Using sinking fund nga concept ba. So, you have here FC minus SB times I over 1 plus I raised to the power of 5 minus 1. And then plus the operating expense. Kaya naman i-mention ko the operating expense. Okay? So, which is 30,000. So, 100,000 minus 20,000 nga salvage value times 10% over 1.1 raised to the power of 5 minus 1. And then hold that the whole term will be added with 30,000 for the operating expense. Okay? So, mahog nga ang imong operating expense, ang imong total expense nga annual is 43,103. Ano siya? So, if we subtract the income, if we subtract this one from the income, which is pila to, 60,000 man to, di ba? Then you still have a savings nga, kaniya, 63,000. Then you still have a savings nga, 19,000. 19,000. So, the ROI or the ROR, the rate of return, is, kaniya siya, savings over the investment, which is 100,000. And that would give us 19,000 divided by 100,000, 19.83 or 89% nga rate of return. Now, since ROR is greater than the cost of money, which is I, na 10%, then we can say nga it is profitable. So, unsay masulti ito niya? Using the different economic decision-making criteria, and all are pointing out in something lisod karon pa. O, estimada. Okay. Ay bisita, estimada. So, so we could say nga, this investment prospect is indeed profitable. No? Profitable na siya. Okay, klaro na. By the way, next meeting class, mag-exam ta, no? Exam ta. Kung sa'yo ito exam mo next meeting. Tuhan? Exam ta o... Sa class. depreciation. Ito yung mga topic na ito na kuman. Depreciation of kaning capitalized cost. Okay? Depreciation of capitalized cost. Annuity, naka-exam na ta? Ganahan mag-annuity. Sige, ako lang sang evaluate to ng uban po nga section. So, ako lang i-announce niya ha. Pero at least naka-advance na tayo discuss, no? Okay, so how about kani? Example number 3. So, 2 project studies for the construction of an engineering building are under consideration. In one study, the cost of the building is 6.5 million with a life of 20 years and a salvage value of 400,000. Yearly maintenance and repair is 180,000. The other expenses or the other purpose a first cost of the other proposal The other proposal has a first cost of 7.2 million, a life of 30 years, and a salvage value of 600,000. The yearly maintenance and repair is 200,000. If the yield on the investment is 6%, determine which project is acceptable. Okay, guwapo ni. So you have here a table, no? A comparative table between the two options. So the first one has a first cost of 6.5, salvage value 400, the useful year is 20 years, and an operating expense of 180,000 with interest nga 6%. The other one, 7.2, salvage value nga 600,000, useful year nga 30 years, operating cost nga 200,000, and I nga 6%. We are asked which of the project is acceptable, no? So let's try to make a comparison, no? First, let's use TAC. So for TAC 1 sa katong first nga proposal, so 6.5 million man ang first cost minus salvage value nga 400,000 and then 6% nga interest, so over 1.06 raised to the power of 20 and then minus 1 and then plus 0.06 times 6.5 million nga FC plus operating expense nga operating cost nga 180,000. So TAC 1 is 735,825.8. Okay, so this is TAC 1. How about the second option? So 7.2 million minus 600,000 times 6% still ang iyang interest rate over 1.06 raised to power of 30 na siya. 30 and then minus 1 plus 0.06 times 7.2 million plus 200,000. Now the TAC niya is 715,482.82. So what can we say about this one? So, unsa may pilio na to ano niya, the first option or the second option? So, using the evaluation method, total annualized cost, we'll be forced to accept the second option. Okay, it's giving us a much lower TAC. Okay, even though mas dako siya og first cost 7.2 million, but the operating expense niya tanawa or the operating cost is much Yang iya pa sorry. Ang iyang salvage value is mas taas. Okay? Even though ang iyang operating cost is 200, labaw siya 200, 20,000 kaysa first option, kunya mas dako pa gid siya o first cost. But ang iya pong useful years, labaw sad siya og 10 years, no? Mo ni siya nakapa-lower sa iyang value. Okay, it's giving us 715. Ang usa 735. But kung imo tanaw ligas sa magud pod, may tatog dako yes tanan. Pero using numbers, then we'll be forced to accept the second proposal. Pero diri na po na musod na po ang subjectivity sa decision making, no? Kani numbers raman eh. Pwede man nga ang consideration baron is ang imong available nga fund. Okay? So ang usa 6 million naman to. 6.5 million. Kani 7.2. What if sakto-sakto ra po di ay? No, maka-afford sa 6.5 million. Di katon lay mo pilion kay gamay ra man sa kay diferensya. But based on economic numbers, second option na to pilion. Okay? Okay, walay pangutana. About kani. This will be our this will be our last nga example ha. Kay bulabang naman sa check bag-o nga topic na pod. So I will be posting na. So arita. So a recapping plan ko no is to acquire a new diesel generating unit or set to replace its present unit which they run during brownouts. The new set would cost 135,000 with a 5-year life and no estimated salvage value. Okay? So, zero na yung salvage value. Variable operating cost would be 150,000 per year. And the present generating set has a book value of 75,000 and a remaining life of 5 years. Okay? Its disposal value now is 7,500, but it would require become 187,500 a year. Money is 10%. What is better, to buy a new generating set or retain the present one? So mahog nga alternate ni siya no, or option nga study. So you have an existing generating plant, and then you're considering to purchase a new one. Unya, the first data nga na-address babaw implies to the new generating unit. Kaning sa later na sa statement, sa present na siya, existing na. Okay, so how to evaluate this one? So, kani. So, for the old, nasa first cost nga 7.5. On din, nagi ka ng 7.5. Tara eh. Nag-mention magod siya diri nga sorry, tanaw tabi. Okay. 7.5 nasa book value nga 75,000. Okay. Remaining life of 5 years. Tara, disposal 7.5 no. Okay. Okay. Salvage value. So, kana. Tara. Tara. With no salvage value. Okay. No estimated salvage value. Okay. Puro na sila way estimated salvage value, no? O, sa mention dito sa kaduha. So, you have here na 7.5, no? Sorry, 7.5 or 7,000 or 75,000 siya. Okay. Can you calculate, class? What mo calculator, class? Yan siya ba? Replace ko no 75,000 ano niya. Kaya bang 75 nga nakabutang dire ba? Oh, kindly replace with 75,000 and then evaluate tani if it would give us 189 dire. Bata ko na, class. Hello, class. Can you still hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Kindly evaluate, ha? Okay ko na.
Oo, sir. 75,000.
75,000. Okay. And it would give us 189 nga TAC. Sakto, class?
Oo, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So, mahog nga ang ato adiring FC sa old, sa kanibang iyahang cash flow diagram is based on its present book value. Nag-mention magud diri ang problem nga iyang book value right now is only 75,000 na lang na. Okay, 75,000. Now, og 75,000 siya nga book value, tabla ra nga mo na imong present capital ba? Na first cost nimo, nga equivalent pa ang concept ba? Although wa gyud ka mubuhi ng kwarta, but if ever mo i-dispose siya at this current moment mo na iyahang present value. Or iyang gitawag nga book value ba? So mo na gihimo na to nga comparison as the first cost. So if we plug and play dira, so kani siya 75,000 minus 0 times 10% over 1.1 raised to the power of 5 minus 1 plus 10% times 75,000 gyapon plus 187,500. Unsa man siya gikan? Di man gikan operating cost kuno. Kay nag-mention magud siya diri. Tara mention siya diri. Kani. But it would become 187,500 a year. No? Kana siya. So mo na imong operating cost kani siya diri. Now, so after evaluation, it's giving us 189,478 pesos. How about the new generating unit? So nag-mention po to dito sa problem nga to purchase this one, it would have cost 135,000. So tara, 135,000. So minus salvage value nga unknown, 0. And then times the interest rate over 1.1. And then raised to power of 5 minus 1. So times plus 10% times 135 plus cost plus operating cost nga 150. Tanawon to dire. Napod siya dire no, operating cost nga 150,000 per year. So for this one, appeal na gasolina, no? Gasolina, maintenance, and so on and so forth. So for this new one, if we evaluate the TAC, it's 185,000. 185,612.66. And it's much lower than continuing to operate the old one, which give us a total annual cost of 189. Kana siya. And then ang comparative nga period of study ano niya is 5 years man. So within 5 years, pila may difference nila. 189,478 pila ni class? I-minus ko nung class. 189,478 minus 185,612 pila class? Pila class? Ayo.
Balik ka daw, sir.
Kani ba? 189 ba? Kaning 189, 478.48. I-minus ang 185, 612.66. Pila ang difference?
3865, sir.
3865. O, niya. Times 5. Okay, 5 years man ni.
19.
Okay, 19. So, hold within this period of study, nga 5 years, 19,000 nga difference, no? So, if we are going to base it on the economic numbers given, mo na matipid na to. 19,000. Okay, 19,000. But of course, if ever nga narapod ka gamay, and then, gasto tagdako kayo, consideration sa dana na pod, if ever management ka, is ang imong availability sa fund mo, no? Availability sa fund. So, but based on numbers mo na imong matipid 19,000 within the 5-year nga study. Okay, so under TEC, it's giving us a signal nga it's better to replace the old set. How about using ROR? Using the ROR method, so sa ito siya, savings over investment. So, ang investment ni mo class is FC new minus FC old. Din lagi kan. Take note, just the amount of cash ba? Now, that's the amount of cash that if ever ato i-dispose kaning ato existing with a book value nga 75,000, i-subtract nito sa 135,000, which is the cost of the new equipment, natay investment nga 127,500, di ba? So kumbaga mo ni imong free cash ba that you need to build. So 127,500. Kaya of course, ang na kung na nimo imong old nga machine, itong old nga generator nimo, balik kaya gina nimo. No, mahalin pa man siya 75,000. Kaya mo may book value. Now the savings bod is income minus expenses. Okay, income minus expenses. So how do we get that one? We get that one from the difference of the two. The difference of the two. So kani siya. So, operating expense of the old. So, mo tong katong TEC na to, no? Katong TEC na to. Ito. Yeah. Okay. So, operating expense. Ito na siya. Without kaning IFC nga aspect, no? So, the old nga operating expense is 188,728.48. Now, for the new one, kung saan po na itong operating expense niya. So, you have FC minus SB times I over 1 plus I raised to the power of 5 minus 1 plus operating cost, annual operating cost. So, natay FC nga 135 po diha. Ang salvage value nga 0, and then 1.1 raised to the power of 5, then minus 1, plus the operating expense nga 150. Kaya i-mention mo na ito 150 maguno ang operating expense. Operating cost pa. So, the operating expense for the new one is 172. So, it's much lower, no? So, if you get the difference niya, 188,728.48 over the kaning difference of the investment value nga 127,500 kana siya. So it would give us an ROR nga 13%. Okay? Now the cost of borrowing money is only 3% at 10%. So mahog nga imong ROR 13, so diferensya siya og 3%. So it's still giving you a positive nga rate of return. Positive rate of return nga 13%. So the difference is 3%. So using ROR, it would still give us a clue nga it's still better to replace the old equipment. Okay? Any question, class? Klaro ra? So the next topic would be break-even analysis na. Break-even analysis. Any question, class? Ayo. Can you hear me, class? Can you hear me, class? Okay, mag-attendance na ko. Kaya wala may naningog. Okay. Bye-bye, class. Wala may tingog.